Hey, what up you guys? So I'm doing a video response for Crafting with Fury, and you have a lot of time. You have till July 12th. It has to be postmarked by July 12th. She's having a birthday challenge giveaway, and all you have to do is send in a memory DEX and make it however you like to represent you. I use the pink paisley confetti wishes, and I got this from Peachy Cheap. I used the die cuts, the puffy stickers, and did I use some of these? I think I did. That's what I use. I love anything tropical. Like, I want to live on an island so bad. And I love birds. I wanted to talk to you guys real quick and actually send you over to someone's channel if you aren't familiar with her. Her name is Joanne from Happymail Stamper, and she was doing a tutorial. So if you want to know how to make this shaker, you can head over to her channel because she shows a quick tutorial on how to do it. You basically use tulle, sequins, and foam tape. That is it. And I hope one day to start sharing more of the tutorials with you guys. It's just, I find it so hard. I don't know why. And I made a big boo-boo. He was a frame. This guy was a frame. I'll show you right now. See right there? And I wanted to use him, but I got excited. I started putting all the foam stickers when you're supposed to do the tulle first. It's tulle first, then foam, and then you put it down on whatever you like. So I did that boo-boo. I'm gonna try to save him and try to use him somehow. He was actually a little piece. He was like this, just this little piece, and it looked like they just threw him in there. So I used him, stuck him in there because he's so cute. This up here, Celebrate die cut, is actually from Veronica, Buzzinwith Vee. I took one off the packaging that she sent me stuff for my birthday challenge giveaway. She's amazing, you guys. Check her out too. I'll leave that link down below. And like I said, I used foam tape. I used this jute twine, or I don't know what it's called. Just this twine to cover up so you won't see so much of the foam. And then I put some little die flowers here, this cute heart, and this gold ribbon that Crafting with Vee and It's a Deal sent my way because they have 99-cent stores around their way, or 99-cent only stores around the way, which is pretty cool. So this is how my memory DEX turned out, and it's super cute. Never mind my broken nail. And back here I made a little pocket, and it says party animal, it's your birthday, and you pull this out. And I decided to use these little charms. I cannot stand to put these things together, you guys, especially with fake nails on. I was like, oh my goodness gracious. So I tried the best that I could. I should have backed this on another cardstock, but lesson learned. And I made a hole using a needle. Actually, not a needle. This here. I guess it is a needle. A pin or whatever. And then I added my information there. So that's how my memory DEX turned out. That's all you have to send in. But of course, I'm going to send a little bit of extra. I made this cute little card, 3x3 card, using the hello and the celebrate from Veronica packaging. Guys, I recycle a lot of things, so. And then I just added some ephemera from the pink paisley collection, little heart. And in here, you guys, I'm going to leave that link down below. I got this idea from Tree, watching Tree's video, Craft On, and she followed MJ Santa's tutorial on how to make these. And I saw the video that she shared it. I didn't see the tutorial that she made it. Anyway, I went back and I watched it. I was like, oh, perfect. So it's pretty cool using just like acetate. And it's like, it pops up. So it's like when you close the card, it's like that. But when you open it, it goes bing. I could have made it bigger, but this was just a practice one. I had it lying on my desk, so I just decided to put it here. And I put happy birthday. I also made some rosettes. And I did the topper like that with some of the tulle and some of the leaves. And these I cut out from the paper collection. Buzzinwith Vee, she's so cute. She sent me some rosettes already made, and it's like tropical themed, so it went perfect. And I put them on removable dots so Diane can remove them. And just a little extra because I like to sometimes send some stickers. I'm sending these cute cupcake stickers, and it's her birthday, you guys. So share the love, check her out, and if you go to her channel, let her know I sent you, and I will check you guys on my next one. Bye.